2 with an ERA over 6.
Up fly into short left. Morrison coming on. Can't get there. Base hit. Ramirez gloves it. Damon's on his way to second. That's going to be a 2-base hit for Johnny Damon. Damon comes up with a double. That's his 500th 2-base hit. So Johnny Damon now only the 11th player in Major League history to have 500 doubles, 100 triples, 200 home runs, and 2,500 hits. And all the other 10 are in the Hall of Fame, led by the likes of George Brett, Lou Gehrig, Babe Ruth, Willie Mays, Stan Musial. There's that list. You talk about some elite company. Johnny Damon has just joined the most exclusive club that you can think of.
And how appropriate that it was a hustle double.
That's his game.
That is.